Mic check 1 2 1 2. So we are back.
We're back
for another video.
We're here.
So we are doing another God Rare hunt.
Wild Resurgence.
Dragon Ball Super card game.
Oh,
we need to start
SPR
buying
for the box topper.
We need to start buying cases of this, fans.
Is that an SPR for the box topper? Please let that be an SPR. That's a nice.
Oh man,
freezer.
that's a nice looking freezer.
Let's see what it is. It's an SR. I'll take it.
It's a freezer from the Tournament of Power.
It's I think the same freezer. That's and it's so funny. It was Frieza on the card, and then the both packs on top of both Frieza. And I think they're all the same picture.
Sweet. Let's go. There it is. Yeah. All right, God Rare, here we come.
Come on, Goku.
Come on, Kakaroto.
Kakorat.
Oh.
Kakorat.
Something there.
Something.
Something there. Double hitter, please.
Yep.
Double hitter. What's behind it?
Oh,
okay.
This is the one I pulled.
Well, that's the SR.
SR. Okay. Here we go. Yeah, if you start, just stack them at the bottom. No worst case.
Majin Buu. Another double hitter.
Another double hitter.
Ooh.
Oh, man.
Transmission.
Let's go.
That Goku, which might become a banned card.
Why?
Because if you look at it, looks like he's coming.
Oh, it's trying to flip the bird. That'll be funny if it becomes a banned card because of the bird. The bird. The bird is the word. Oh, my bad.
The second card. Alright, so
I like it. Here, Chet, take the leader card out, Eric.
another double hitter.
Nah, it's nice though.
Hunting for these guy rares is more fun than hunting for a Charizard card.
Well, if we had the bowler boxes hunting for Charizard, we'd be having fun.
Yeah. Ooh, a holographic Mr. Buu.
Yeah.
So first.
And not paying top dollar for it.
Yeah.
Because opening a box is like 300K and not getting one Charizard, you like want to puke. I think what's his name opened 2 boxes up with and do you see that that show? Which one? Wow. Golden Auctions?
No.
Logan Paul opened up 2 boxes. They both like, $300,000 boxes. Not one Charizard.
He's had plenty of blood, so. He's had plenty of blood. Is that a leader?
Is this one a leader? No. Double head banger. Oh man. Oh, that's so nice though. Did I pull this?
Already, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I pulled that one.
That's your first time pulling that one, see?
Well, you pulled the SR. I got the SPR.
Oh, that's the SPR?
The box topper for the last box was this one.
Come on, son Goku.
Oh, yeah.
Cool. Frieza.
Let's go.
Bola. Not how to wear.
Let's go, man. We gotta get this God Rare. Hit that like for us.
Give us your energy.
That way we can get that God Rare.
Send us your energy.
Energy.
Double hitter. Ooh, okay. Now I pulled the SR. 8 keeps getting me, man.
I know, man.
Baby.
Let's go.
Double hitter?
No.
Oh, it's a.
It's nice though. Nice. Nope. So according to the box, the promo card is SP and SPR.
Yeah.
It'll always be those two,
That
right?
would be the box topper, yeah, but it's the SPR is harder.
Harder to get.
Yeah. As a box topper. That's cool.
Goku. Let's go, man. I think we're about midway into the box. God Rare is gonna pop his head out soon. In a minute.
Should.
Let's go. Ooh.
Oh.
Double hitter. Oh, nice.
Garlic Jr. What is this? SPR. So that is it for this box, I think.
Oh, really? So that's just God Rare. If what?
Hopefully, fingers crossed. Would probably be.
Oh.
Okay, it's an SR. Yeah, the rest are probably just gonna be SRs now. Love the secret rare. Love the God rare even more.
Mm-hmm. Oh, that's nice. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Ooh.
Super Saiyan God, future Trunks.
Yeah. Yeah, buddy.
And no double hit.
Let's go.
He's on the pod. In the afterlife.
Get tortured.
Yep.
Being tortured. Alright, couple handful of packs left. Yeah. Just about.
And back. Oh, I thought it was back to back.
Krillin.
Back to back.
Back to
Four
back.
more packs.
Come on, God Rare. Coming in the next pack. Not this one, but the next one. Calling it. Being bold and
Oh, we got these, right?
SR Garlic Jr.
Let's go. This is the pack.
Last 3 packs. Come on. Come on, come on. Vegeta. Last 2 packs. Oh man. Nada. Alright, last pack.
Come on.
Let's go.
Come on, God Rare.
Last pack magic.
Give us
Bless
your
us.
energy. God Rare.
please.
Boo. Boo, boo. Alright, so these are the notables. That beauty.
Garlic Junior Leader.
Nice.
Garlic Junior SR. Gohan SR. Goku SR with the bird. Frieza SR. Box Topper. Goku versus Frieza. Baby. Grade 8 Baby SPR. And then Garlic Junior SPR.
Awesome. So hit that like, hit that subscribe, and we will catch you